everyone, it's Sarah here from Renew Your Sexy, and I'm going to talk to you about making small changes in your recipe to have the most impact. So you don't have to give up everything, you just have to find a stronger solution. I don't like to put like better or good with foods or bad, because the foods aren't bad, but there are choices that can help us when we are making our fun recipes. And I do have 4 kids, so going without sugar and things like that, it can be difficult, but if we find the right replacements, everything works out pretty well for our family. So I'm going to talk to you about the difference between unsweetened coconut and sweetened coconut. All right, first of all, the sweetened coconut is what you can find in the baking aisle, usually by like the chocolate chips, the flour, all that. That's where this is located. This unsweetened coconut I find in the organic aisle of the same grocery store. It's actually made by the same company, but one is organic and unsweetened. The other one is naturally sweetened. So let's start with the ingredient list. So the ingredient list on the sweetened coconut is coconut, and it's doused in sodium metabisulfite, and it retains color. There's sugar added, there's water added, propylene glycol, and salt. The unsweetened coconut, the only ingredient here is organic unsweetened coconut chips, which is what's in the bag. Calories on this, serving size is 2 tablespoons on the sweetened coconut. Serving size is 3 tablespoons. So you get an extra tablespoon of this in your servings, so you can have more of this. There is 70 calories per serving per tablespoon in the sweetened coconut, and 40 calories of that comes from fat. There's 110 calories in this, and 90 of those calories are from fat. So this one has more calories and more fat, but it's all natural, so you're getting the coconut oil. You're getting the coconut fat in here. Where this fat, I'm not sure what all of that's coming from. Total grams of fat on this is 10 grams of fat. Fat on this is 4.5 grams of fat. Don't let that scare you. Keep in mind this is only 2 tablespoons, so if you added another tablespoon of this to equal this serving size, you would have to add an additional 2 point something grams, so you would be at about 7 grams, almost 7 grams of fat in this one, so not a huge difference there. Total carbohydrates in the sweetened coconut is 7 grams, and that's for 2 tablespoons, and in this one it is 4 grams for 3 tablespoons. So less carbohydrates. There's 1 gram of protein, no protein in this one. And then the ingredient list we covered. Yeah, so everything we need to know there. So you get more bang for your buck on this. The one thing why I started using unsweetened coconut is I like the texture of it, and it's organic, and also that there's nothing added to it. If we can get packaged whole ingredients that I can use in my meal prep, it can stay in my pantry till I'm ready to use it, I can catch it on sale, then I'm all about it. And there's a lot of recipes that I had that I was using the sweetened flakes, and it's not a horrible choice. I mean, you saw that there were some similarities and some differences, but for the most part, going for a pure clean product, try searching and maybe replacing some of your recipes with unsweetened coconut so you get away with the extra sugar. That was the one we needed to cover. Sugar, we didn't talk about that. So the sugar in the sweetened coconut is 5 grams for 2 tablespoons. The sugar in this is less than 1 gram, which really is essentially nothing. So 5 grams. If you were to have the same serving size of this that you would this, you would actually end up at like 7 grams of sugar, which is not, there's no sugar in this, it's all natural. So you can still get the texture and a little bit of the flavor of the coconut, and then still enjoy that as part of your recipe, and keep some things that are traditional in your household just by making a small change. So good luck in your prepping, and I will have recipes posted at sarahreemackle.com. Thanks for following me, you guys, and have a wonderful day.